Welcome to Peppa's Golden Boots app. Choose an adventure. Let's see what's hiding in the mud. Daddy Pig knows a lot about being a successful puddle jumper. To become one with the puddle, he says you must think like a puddle. And if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. Look out for a golden boot. Look, it is a frog. Oh, Daddy Pig! Press the yellow button to play again, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose somewhere to explore. Let's go to space. Peppa and her friends are flying to the moon in a rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Choose the easy, medium or hard level. Peppa is flying around Saturn. Follow the path of stars and collect all the big ones. Watch out for the ice rocks. Press and hold the green button to make the rocket fly up. Quick, press the green button. Quick, press the green button. Quick, press the green button. Well done! You collected 3 stars. Press the yellow button to play a different space adventure, or press the green done button to play another game. Choose an adventure. Let's visit Miss Rabbit. Peppa and her friends have landed on the moon to visit Miss Rabbit's gift shop. Can you help each of them find some special presents? Choose a character to help. Peppa, George or Susie. George needs your help to find 1 green dinosaur, 2 trains and 3 cookies. Hello, Miss Rabbit. Look out! Flick and drag items out of the way to find what you're looking for. Don't forget to look out for a golden boot. Two trains. Well done! You have 1 more to find. Well done! And 3 cookies. Well done! You have 2 more to find. Well done! You have 1 more to find. Well done! You found everything that George wanted. 1 green dinosaur, 2 trains and 3 cookies. Press the yellow button to play with another character, or press the green done button to play a different game. Choose a game. Let's make some food for the ducks. Help Peppa make some food so she can go and feed the ducks. Choose some ingredients and put them into the bowl. Worms, oats, green leaves, carrots, corn, seeds. Now stir all your fantastic ingredients together. A little bit more. Well done! You have made a tasty duck cake. It looks a little big for the ducks. Can you slice it into smaller pieces? That's it. Keep going. A little bit more. Well done. Let's go and visit the ducks at the pond. We are at the pond, and here come the ducks. Flick or drag some food onto the ducks to feed them. Don't forget to look out for the golden boots. These ducks can swim quite fast, can't they? These ducks can swim quite fast, can't they? These ducks can swim quite fast, can't they? Choose something to do. Let's sing a song.